Hi friends, hope all of you are fine. Today I will share a very useful and easy tips of sesame seeds. There are two types of sesame seeds, white seeds and black seeds. Both have high calcium content in it. This magical seed is very good for elderly people. Even teenagers too can consume this for strong bones and teeth. You don't have to do anything. Just take 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds or black seeds and eat it raw in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening. Make it a good habit to take it twice every day. Before meal will be suitable but not empty stomach. This is natural home remedy recommended by our grandmothers, so it is safe to use. Happy living!